Okay, so this is how I make my laundry soap now. I've been using this for close to 2 months. It works very, very well. There's only 4 ingredients. I'm going to be using 6 today. You could technically only use 3 ingredients. If you have sensitive skin, if you're trying to live a low-tox, non-toxic lifestyle, if you are sick of buying expensive natural laundry soap at the store like I was, this video is for you. Pre-poured everything. This should be a fairly fast video. I test tried all of this when I first made it on a load of poopy cloth diapers, and they were sparkling white. So, and they smell good. So it really works well. This is something that I love to use. This is the powder laundry soap. I tried Castile liquid soap. I don't like it. It's not for me. More power to the people that have homemade liquid laundry soap. That is not for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started over the ingredients, and then I pre-poured everything and we can get through this. So you're going to need baking soda. You're going to need washing soda. You need borax. Technically, those 3 ingredients will clean all on its own. But these are the stuff that I also am adding. Kirk's Castile Soap. I got fragrance free. I'm adding some essential oils, which today I'm going to do Melrose. It's a combination of rosemary, tea tree, clove, and noolie, however you say it, don't judge me, and grapefruit. And then I'm adding an extra boost of a 1/2 cap of Thieves Cleaner just because I love to get it good. So what you're gonna do literally is dump it in a bowl. It's 2 cups of baking soda, 2 cups of washing soda. It says 2 cups of borax. So I'm just gonna whisk this together and get the lumps out. I'm gonna add my essential oils at this point. And goes to grapefruit. I sniffed that way too strong. I'm gonna add a total of about 30 to 40 drops. I'm adding Melrose, and then I'm adding a 1/2 cap of these. Then I just like to whisk this in to really make sure it gets in there before I add the Castile soap. So the first time I made my laundry soap, I actually did not use the Castile soap, and it still cleaned amazing. So we're just gonna add in, I grated it up. All you do, I'll show you. I have this big grater, but I just used the smallest one, grated it up. Now I'm going to mix that in. So once you have that all mixed up, you're just gonna put it in airtight jars. So I just take a funnel, take a scoop, and I just dump it in like that. It takes a little bit. I don't have the most efficient funnel, but it works. I'm thankful that I have a funnel at all. So that's pretty much it. I use 1 tablespoon per load. I have a front loader washing machine. So if you have a high efficiency or front loader washing machine, it's only 1 tablespoon per load. 2 if you feel like it needs extra boost. But if you have a traditional old style washing machine, you want to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons per load. Also, just a note, if you have a front loader washing machine, you put it directly in the barrel. You do not put it in the washing machine cap or anything like that. So I'm gonna finish filling this up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was helpful, even if it's just for one person.